everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix save failed there was an error while saving the current game. So all you have to do is just to go here into the tab, choose Windows Security, right click on it and then view security dashboard. After that, choose this first option, scroll down and then choose the second options. You will have it here. I have it in French, but you can it's literally same order. Just scroll down here and this will say folders here. Click on this option. This is the before the last option. Click on it, click on enable, yes, and then choose this last option. Click on yes another time. After that, you will have add an application authorized. Click on it and then search in applications. After that, just click on search and add your GTA, your file location of GTA Vice City or GTA San Andreas. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.